How to remove home screen on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, the home screen is basically everything that you see firstly on the screen. That you can simply make a long press on the free space of the screen. So here what you basically see is your option over here, which is as a tap on that icon. So you'll be able to see different options available over here on the screen. So you can see widgets, you can see home screen settings, and so on. So here you can simply see the wallpapers. Now since we do not want to deal with wallpapers, you can see widgets, you can see the home screen settings. We do not have option to delete the home screen directly. So here we can simply tap on set default screen, and you can simply tap on any of the screens over here, and if you want to change it, you can simply select on it. But we do not get the option to remove the home screen on Android over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.